today's video, we're going to walk through how to build a Wix website from scratch. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever thought about making a site but had no idea where to begin, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to break it down step by step so you know exactly what to click, how to design your pages, and how to publish your site. By the end of this video, you're going to feel confident about building a clean professional website all on your own. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Wix? Let's start with the basics. Wix is a website builder that lets you create a site without needing to know any coding. Everything is drag and drop, so instead of writing lines of code, you simply click on elements like text, images, or buttons and move them around on the page. Wix is one of the most popular platforms because it's friendly for beginners, but still powerful enough for more advanced users. You can build anything from a simple personal site or blog to an online store, portfolio, or even a full business website all in one platform. Before we dive into the step-by-step build, let's look at a few of the standout features that make Wix worth considering. Number one is huge template library. Wix gives you access to hundreds of professionally designed templates organized by industry and style. There's templates for coaches, photographers, restaurants, online shops, bloggers, consultants, and so much more. The nice part is that these templates aren't just pretty, they actually come with sample pages and sections already built, like a home page with a hero banner, an about page, a services section, and a contact page. All you need to do is swap in your own text, images, and colors. For beginners, this takes away the hardest part of building a site, figuring out where to start. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You pick a template that matches your niche, and suddenly you've got a professional looking site that just needs your personal touch. Number two is the drag and drop editor. This is probably Wix's most famous feature. The editor works like a visual canvas. You grab a text box, drag it where you want it, resize it by pulling the corners, and adjust spacing by sliding things around. It really is that simple. It's a creative playground where you can move sections until it looks the way that you want. You're not boxed into rigid layouts unless you want to be. This flexibility makes it perfect for beginners because you're free to play around until the design feels right. Number three is the app market. One of the reasons Wix has become so powerful is its app market. Think of it like the app store on your phone, but for websites. There are over 250 apps you can add to extend your site's functionality. Need a booking system? Install Wix Booking. Want to sell products? Add Wix Stores. Hosting an event? Use Wix Events to manage RSVPs and ticket sales. There are also apps for live chat, social media feeds. The best part is you don't even need to worry about integrations or coding. Apps snap directly into your site, and most of them are free or affordable. And lastly, hosting and security built in. With some platforms, you have to buy hosting separately, connect your domain, and figure out security on your own. With Wix, everything is included. You don't need to set up servers or install SSL certificates. Your site is secure out of the box. And that little padlock shows up in the browser so visitors know they can trust you. This is especially important if you're planning to sell products or collect customer information. Beginners don't have to stress out about the technical side. Wix takes care of that. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide. If you don't already have a Wix account, you can actually get signed up absolutely for free and follow along with this demo by clicking the link down in the description below. Once you click that link, all you have to do is enter in your email address, click start now, and then you can sign up with just your email. You can do Google, Facebook, whatever works best for you. Once you finish that up and your account is created, here you can see is what your sites look like. I just want to say too, this is the free account. This is not the paid version at all. So again, you can follow along for free. So we're going to go ahead and click create new site. So you can start with AI if you would like. I personally just like using the templates itself and then customizing it in whatever way that I want. You can totally use the AI, but I just prefer the templates right out the box. Let's do a health blog. Okay, now we will go ahead and enter in the name of our site, Holistic Health with Ash. Continue. So now what are the goals for this site? Promote myself, business, offer services. So maybe we'll share knowledge, build a community. Now here we can go ahead and choose the apps. We also can do this later on, but sometimes it's just nice because then we can find a template that has everything in. We'll do forms, blog bookings, Instagram feed. Is there anything else that we want to add? There's maybe subscriptions and memberships, but maybe we'll add that later. Okay, this looks good. Continue. you. So now you can go ahead and set up your domain if you would like. It's completely optional. If you already have one, you also can connect it. You also can get a custom business email. But what I like about Wix is they really just take you step by step. So you don't have to figure out what should I do first, right? They really make it helpful for you. We're going to go into designing the site. So we'll pick a template, and I always recommend starting with a template. I've made websites before where I tried to start from scratch. I ended up always having to start over because I would just go and use a template. So there is no shame in just using a template and then customizing it to be your own. So as you can see, it's searched health blog because that's what we typed in, but maybe we want to just do like health coach. What's important though, that we see what this site has as well, right? So there's no blog built into this. Obviously we can add that in, but sometimes it's just easier to find one that has everything you need. So maybe we view this one. Okay, see, this has blog, podcast. Okay, cool. I love the setup with this one. This is the thing too, just as a tip, when you're choosing a template, make sure you're looking at the functionality, not just the colors and the fonts, because all the colors, the fonts, the picture, that can all be changed. But what's harder to change is the actual functionality. So if you're like, ooh, I love how this scrolls with me. I love this background. I love all of the menu up here, right? Even if you're like, I hate all these colors, I want to change it, that's totally fine. So let's go ahead and edit this site. Okay, now that we are in the editor, you also can enhance with AI. So essentially it will kind of update the details. So you can go ahead and do this like holistic health coach that believes in mind, body healing. My podcast is called The It Girl Mindset, and I have one-to-one coaching spots available. I also write about holistic health in my blog. Then it will actually help you write the text of your site, which is pretty cool. Okay, so see how it adjusts that. Welcome to Holistic Health with Ash. Obviously, you're going to have to come in here and edit all of this as well. Now I want to show you the menu over here. This is kind of your starting point. Obviously, we've got the template here, but if you want to change anything when it comes to, any of the titles, any of the fonts, this is where you would do that. So you can literally just drag it right here and it will add text for you. So this is where you can drag and drop it over. They've got images. You can upload your own. They've got free images here. You can change the buttons. They've got even shapes you can add on. Yeah, just some cool shapes in here. You can add boxes. You can add galleries, menus and anchor you can update, contact forms, videos and music, payments, blog, store, everything. So this menu right here is going to help you edit right here. So they just make it very simple. So for example, as you can see, we can change the background right here. We can also change the opacity if we want any color behind it. You can scale to fill. Where do you want it positioned? If we wanted to change the image, we also could do that. And they have a bunch of images on here. So we could just search wellness. We want to just add this. If we want to change the site theme, we can go ahead and do that. Maybe we want it to be a bit more green and earthy. Okay, maybe we don't like that. We want it to be a little more neutral. So they just make it really easy and simple to come and change everything in here, which I love. You also can completely customize it as well. If you don't like any of these, you can completely customize this to any colors that you like. So now we've got our home page. Now, if we want to update our about page, this is where we would come and do that. So again, it already has all of this text in here, but you'll want to come in here and edit that. This link is linked to a booking page, so they can book maybe a strategy call with you or a consultation call, whatever it may be. If let's just say you wanted to add another section, add section, you can add a designed section so you don't have to create it from scratch. This is where you can pull in one of their already generated sections. Maybe you want another one of these. So you can update all of this. We can change the image, right? You also can go ahead and you can upload from your computer. So we've got our home page and then we've got our about pages. So this is just where you're going to tell your story, add a friendly photo. Then we've got a services page, and this is where you'll list all of your offers with some short descriptions and buttons just about who you are, what you do, and how people can actually buy from you. If you have a portfolio or gallery, you can use that to showcase your work. But for this example, we'd probably have a blog over a gallery. So this is where you can go ahead and write blog posts. If you want to actually manage the posts itself, itself, you click manage posts and you can actually create them in here. So you're not necessarily in the web editor all the time. You can just create new post. You'll add a title. Ooh, create with AI. You can also do that. Top 5 holistic health tips to live your happiest life. Mindset, body, relationships, nutrition, fun, hobbies. Cool. Let's make it neutral. Yeah, let's just do that for now. The number of images, maybe we'll do 2. Unlock your happiest life with these top 5 holistic health tips. Love it. Now we'll just let AI do its thing. Obviously, you want to make this your own. You don't just want AI to do everything for you, but it is really helpful to just have a starting point, right? So you're not just staring at a blank screen looking like, what do I do next, right? So AI is a helpful tool, but don't let it take away from your own powerful voice. Post created, woohoo. Okay, now we can see that it's all written out. So we can publish. We also can schedule if we would like. We can duplicate, whatever it may be. So maybe we want to schedule this for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Schedule. And you can come in here and see your drafts pending review. If we wanted to end up just publishing it now, we can do that too. Just go ahead and click publish. Cool. Now, if we come and look at the blog, we can see it's right here. So very, very simple and easy to do and a great way to enhance SEO. Okay, the next step is to add apps. So what we'll do is go ahead and come to the App Store. So this is where you can install any apps like we talked about. So we already add bookings. This is already installed because we clicked that at the beginning. We've also, that's a magic form builder. There's so much on here. So even if you already use Calendly and you want to stick with that, they have a Calendly connector right here. So there's really so much that you can do. So add any apps that you would like to bring in. And then one of the last steps to just get your site up and running is you want to check how it looks on mobile. So every single page you want to proofread, but then you want to come in here and see what it looks like on mobile. So we definitely will want to adjust this a bit. As you can see, maybe this container moved down, right? Again, I know we all love to edit on our computers, but everyone looks at websites on their phone these days. So it's really important to make sure that it looks good on mobile as well. And as soon as you are ready to go, you just click publish and your site is ready to go. Now that you understand how to build a website from scratch, let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. They do have a couple different plans right here. And like I said, you can get started absolutely for free with our link below. But if you want to upgrade, they've got the Lite plan, which is $17 a month. And with this plan, you get a free domain for a year, 2 gigabytes of storage, a Lite marketing suite, 2 site collaborators. Then with the core plan, you get more storage, you get a basic marketing suite, you get basic e-commerce, and you get 5 site collaborators. And the core plan is $29 per month. And then they have the business plan, which is $39 per month. You get everything in the core plan, but you get more storage, you get the standard marketing suite and the upgraded e-commerce and 10 site collaborators. And then lastly is the business elite, which is $159 per month. You get everything in the business plan, but you get unlimited storage, advanced marketing suite, advanced e-commerce, and the advanced developer platform and 100 site collaborators. So the cool thing about Wix is it can grow with you. If you want to start with just the Lite plan, you can do that. I also did want to say too, with the free plan, you can publish a site, but it has Wix branding all over it. So it's not that you can't use the free site, but you'll probably eventually run out of storage and you'll probably, just to look professional, want the Wix branding gone. So is Wix the right choice for you? If you're a beginner and want a site that looks professional without coding, Wix is one of the best places to start. The template editor and app marketplace make it really easy to launch quickly, and the mobile optimization and security features mean you don't have to worry about the technical stuff. The only downsides are that Wix can sometimes feel limiting if you want full coding freedom. And if you plan to scale into a very complex site later, you might outgrow it. But for beginners, freelancers, coaches, small business owners, or anyone who just wants a clean, functional website, Wix is a solid option. And that's how you build a website from scratch. If you're ready to try Wix out yourself, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below to get started for free. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website step by step with beginner-friendly tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.